I know. It's all for Greene County, though.
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ozark County, southeastern Douglas County, until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 14 miles south of Ava, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles.
Ah!
Tree damage is likely.
Oh my god. That scared me. It's way too loud.
NOAA, Rockbridge, Drury, Gentryville, tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see the National Weather Service in Springfield take cover now. Repeating, the tornado warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri, Douglas, and Ozark. At 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Missoula, Thornfield, Brixie, Noble, Vermont, Dora, Rockbridge, Drury, Gentryville. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri, Douglas, and Ozark.